Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how we can use the Canva AI headshot generator. So first, after you've opened your design, you want to head to apps. Then you want to search for profile photo. Then you want to choose this app. Then just click on open. Then you want to choose your file or upload your file. Then after that, you just want to choose your identity, your gender. Then you can also put some custom instructions. Then just click on generate. Then you want to wait for it for a few seconds. And after that, it will automatically generate it for you. You can just go ahead and resize that into your blank canvas. So it's as easy as that. Thanks for watching.